Familiar, you're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hi, this is Balaji from GKBC Tech. Today we'll unbox Realme Narzo 20 Pro. This is 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage variant. Let's unbox it. The price on the box is 17,000 rupees, but I got it from Flipkart for 15,000. The weight of the phone is around 191 grams and the SAR values are 0.99 for head and 0.934 for body. On back they mention the specialities of the mobile, that it have 90Hz display and 65-watt super dot charging. Nothing else. Again they given the SAR value and IME numbers. Let's unbox it. This mobile comes in two color, black and white. It has a 6.5-inch Full HD display, which is 90Hz LCD display. When open the package, first you will get a TPU case with some safety guide and user manuals. Yeah. Let's keep them aside. You'll get a normal TPU case, transparent TPU case, which is good. Okay, let's take the mobile. We'll keep the mobile aside, we'll come to it later. The good thing about the phone is it comes with a 65-watt charger. You can charge your phone very quickly. It's a 10 volt 6.5 amp rated charger. I don't know, you can see. Yeah, it's 10 volt 6.5 amp rated one, and you will also get a type C cable in the box. The yellow inner color is good touch, and you will get a SIM ejector tool. That's all the box content. Let's keep the box aside. We'll check the mobile. We have a pre-applied screen protector. The phone looks very premium. On top you have a 48 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel wide angle and a 2 megapixel black and white and a 2 megapixel depth and a flashlight. Also logo, nothing on top. On left side you have a SIM ejector tool and volume rockers. On bottom you have 3.5 headphone jack, microphone, type C port and speakers. On right you have power button included with fingerprint scanner. On front you have a 16 megapixel Sony camera. Let's turn on the mobile. The good thing is it's a 90Hz display, which is a Full HD plus. Let's see if there is any option to turn it back to 60. It comes with the Android 10. It's a Mali G76 GPU, and the front camera is Sony 16 megapixel Sony sensor. It comes with a Bluetooth 5.0. we don't find any option for a display frames change. We have some camera samples. The camera is good. I didn't attach the selfie camera. It's a portrait mode. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.